Garage doors can be frustrating when they refuse to open or close smoothly. First, inspect your garage door opener remote. Sometimes, simply replacing the batteries in your remote can solve the problem. Next, check the power source and ensure it's plugged in. If that's all good, look for obstructions in the track and clear any debris. If it still struggles to move, adjust the limit switch settings on your opener, following the manufacturer's instructions. Lastly, lubricate the moving parts with a silicone spray for smoother operation. This quick fix can save you time and hassle.